You awake? Do you have everything ready for your dress? What else do we need? Sam, wake up.
What do you want?
The details for the dress.
Wait a minute, what dress?
The quince dress?
Did you just say quince?
Did you forget?
Maybe.
How did you forget? It's your quinceañera.
The lady of the lawyer's got a lot upon her mind.
Get up.
Traveling across the land with 7 strings combined, and where she's going next, no one knows. Oh, her name was Rosalinda, but right now she goes by Rose. And the lady of the lawyer's gotta leave her home behind, betrothed to a nobleman her father had assigned. And while her protest was strong and clear, he made it pretty known her home was anywhere but here. And all the roads she followed led her to know where she wanted to stay. And all alone she swallowed the burden of not having someone to say.
I had a friend before and he was a lot like you. I helped him fight through war, but he had his demons too. And then we grew apart. Then his light went dark. And so I thought maybe if I'd made a different call, maybe if I hadn't missed it all, maybe he'd be fine. Maybe we'd unwind. Maybe if I help another soul, maybe if I helped you reach your goal, life could be better.
Sam. Hey, Sam, wake
What's
up. I found the missing piece.
Dude, it's perfect.
You think we can go now?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay, perfect. Jeez.